Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm Caron Koteles Riha with Real Estate One, and welcome to Caron's Corner Fireside Chat. Today we have Kaytee Dwyer with kkssourdoughandsweets, and thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So Kaytee, we have seen all over Facebook. She's tearing it up, and she has some phenomenal items to talk about today. But first of all, I'd like to ask, how did you come up with the name?
So my maiden name was Clock, so Kaytee Clock, but all of my nieces and nephews call me KK.
Oh.
So the baking started with my family and everybody always wanting all my goodies and treats and everything, and they would always be, oh, we want KK's cookies.
Yeah.
So I thought, what better way to honor that than
Oh.
to KK Sweet Stop.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
that's who you are. So
Yeah.
that's perfect. I love it.
Yeah.
Well, this looks really good.
Thank
So I think this is a great idea. Tell me about what we're looking at here.
So this is our Halloween Boo It Yourself kit, cookie kit. So they're all sugar cookies, and it comes with 3 frostings, sprinkles, and basically it's just a decorate it yourself kit. I do all the hard work, as you said,
Yes.
and then families are able to enjoy it and spend family time together decorating and eating it. So we actually have these for Halloween. We'll do a Thanksgiving one and Christmas as well.
Nice.
Yes.
So do you, is it usually this size, or do you do larger packs, or how do you do it?
Yep, so this is our standard package.
Mhm.
So it comes 6 cookies, 3 frostings, and 3 sprinkles.
Okay.
So this one would be like a normal pack, but we can
Yeah.
also do larger.
Okay,
Yes.
great. You are kind of based in the Rochester surrounding area, right?
Yes.
And how long have you been doing this?
So I've been baking since I was 4 years old with my mom, but really, I'd say 2018 is when I started the business.
Yeah.
And then after COVID hit and we were laid off, and then I had my son, my second son.
Yeah.
I was a stay-at-home mom, and I was trying to figure out different ways to get creative again and not just be the stay-at-home mom.
Yeah.
And so 2021, late 2021 is when I started doing my baking again. So that's when I started really kicking it off.
So you have 2 boys, right?
2.
Tell me a little bit about them.
So I have a 13-year-old Anthony
Uh-huh.
and a 2-year-old Lincoln.
Nice.
And yes, so they are my reason for doing this.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
definitely enjoy everything that I make.
Aw.
So yeah, they're
That's
amazing.
great. That's great. I wish I could do this. When I grow up, I want to be like you.
Oh, thanks.
And I'm sure my family would like that too. But and then tell us about the bread you made too.
So
That's pretty.
thank you. So yeah, sourdough is actually my specialty. My starter is actually about 2 years old now, and so that's what makes the sourdough bread. So these are the pumpkin rolls. So these we'll do for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or just anytime you want rolls.
Okay.
But they also, I have sourdough loaves, so they're larger. Yeah, the rolls are cute.
Oh, that sounds great.
Yes.
They look great. And so you've been doing this for a little while, a long while actually, and you've got some vegan options too, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So a lot of my siblings are vegan actually, and before they were vegan, they would love all my stuff. But then as they became more into the vegan, I really wanted to still involve them and have them be able to enjoy my stuff. So I do offer some vegan options. Some of the vegan cookies are actually better than the not vegan.
Yeah.
Specifically my vegan snickerdoodles. They're like pillows of just amazingness. So,
Yeah.
yes, if you are vegan, I have options for you.
Okay, good to know. This could be dangerous.
Yes.
And I noticed on your Facebook page that you love all things dipped. What is dipped? Tell me.
Everything dipped in chocolate, smothered in chocolate. So fruits, pretzels, basically anything you want. Oreos, I'll dip it, make it look pretty. You're good to go.
And I saw you do the strawberries, and that's always very elegant.
It is.
And good for you at the same time.
You know, they say it's fine if you have chocolate as long as it's with a fruit or something, you know?
Yeah. So it's
yeah.
perfect.
Yes.
I love it. And then tell us, do you have any events or promotions coming up anytime?
So for right now, we're sticking with online events only.
Yep.
And we will have, like I said, with the DIYs for Christmas and Thanksgiving, we're going to be having some special deals coming out. So stay tuned on the Facebook.
Okay. Yep. I love Facebook. That's get so much info. So I saw on there that you had a goal for like a few years out, 5 years out, something like that. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so at first I did not think that it was going to be this big. I kind of pictured myself just baking out of my house for as long as I can.
Yeah.
But after I really started getting busier and busier, I realized I'd probably have about 5 years before I really needed a commercial space. Bread and sourdough is a huge thing, and it's not just a quick thing, so
Yeah.
I need space, I need help, and so 5 years and hopefully I'll have a store.
Well, in doing this with children, this has got to be like, you know, the constant juggle, which is what we do, you know. Moms do that. So I give you a ton of credit. And this all looks fantastic. I'm really looking forward to trying some things that you have. So thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
So KKSweets, this is Kaytee Dwyer, and thanks for joining us. I am Caron Koteles Riha. Don't make a move without me.